TruCheck torque wrench tester offers a simple and cost-effective solution for the testing of torque wrenches. It comes in two versions, the basic model and the TruCheck Plus, demonstrated here, which has a comprehensive range of valuable and easy to use features. Setting up is simplicity itself. First set the torque units, in this case Newton meters, and then the mode of operation. The TruCheck Plus has operating modes for click wrenches and dial or electronic wrenches. Now set up the target torque, in this case 40 Newton meters, and then the tolerance limit in percent. The TruCheck Plus will calculate whether the wrench is within limits and indicate the result by illuminating an orange, green or red LED for low, OK or high respectively. Now set the wrench to the specified torque and lock it ready for testing. Connect to the square drive and gently operate until the wrench clicks. Note the torque reading on the display and look at the coloured LEDs to see whether it's in tolerance.